Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Many people these days are very concerned about pesticide use in their gardens and landscapes. So today we're going to talk about some of the safer products you can use for pest control. If you planted a vegetable or flower garden this spring, you may be seeing holes in the larger leafed plants that look like someone peppered them with buckshot, or big chunks of the leaves that are missing, or maybe all of the leaves on your tomatoes and peppers are disappearing overnight. These problems are normally caused by worms or caterpillars that can come out at nighttime and create havoc on a new garden plant. There is a very safe product called BT Worm Killer, which will rid your garden of any worms or caterpillars and is completely safe for humans, pets, or other insects. As some of you know, there are several plants that are natural deterrents to pests. One of those plants is the chrysanthemum, and that's where we get pyrethrin from, which is an insecticide that will help control beetles, webworms, leafhoppers, and many other yard and garden insects. In addition, there are also some synthetic products that are derived from the actual chemicals within the chrysanthemum plant. These include products like Sevin and Ortho Home Defense. Other plants that are good pest deterrents are things like onions, garlic, and some of the other herbs. Garlic barrier is a great insect repellent that will work on several garden pests like inchworms, leafhoppers, mealybugs, mites, moths, scale, and thrips. Another plant that discourages pests is the neem plant, where we get neem oil from. This is a great product that will deter pests only in cooler weather. Do not use this product when temperatures are over 85 degrees because it may cause burning of your plants. Another natural insecticide that's used is Captain Jack's Bug Killer, which contains spinosad, which was derived from old rum distilleries that they were found to have very ill effect on insects. These products do not have a long-lasting effect, so keep a close watch on flowers and vegetables for early signs of pests and treat whenever you see them present. Other pests that people complain about are birds and rabbits. I recommend physical barriers like the bird block bird netting and the wire garden fencing. Get your free copies of our Star Notes number 700, 625, and 550 at any of our Star locations or at starnursery.com. Don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.